Hey, Dream Team. I'm Brittany Eddy.
And I'm Tracy Robinson, and we are from the Port St. Lucie campus. And we like to party in PSL, right? Boom. So this is the fourth and final week on the theme of forgiveness, and it's been really, really good. So we're going to jump right into the social time activity, and it's dealing again with forgiveness and the notion of 77 times. And so you're going to get resourced with a cup, 77 cotton balls, and then chopsticks for all of your kids. And the object is to try and use these chopsticks, I'm not very good at that, and pick up the cotton balls. It's a race with the other tables to get all 77 cotton balls, and the first table to get it is the winner. No, get it. Okay, yes, all right, we're winners.
We got it.
So that's the first activity.
For social time. The next activity, you're going to review the Bible story using 3 wonderful things: true, false, and not in the story. So have your team line up and give them some bean bags. You are going to ask them some questions.
Yes.
So put your little signs on the ground, and they're going to try to throw the bean bag on the correct answer.
Okay.
Whether it's true, false, or not in the story. If you've got the little kids, they can scoot up, but you're a big 3rd grader, so back it up,
All right,
lady.
here we go.
Okay, here's your first story. Zippo the clown asked Jesus how many times you have to forgive someone who hurts you. Is that true or false? Zippo the clown.
That is not in the story.
It is false because the story is true. It was Peter that asked Jesus how many times. But even though you got it wrong, you can still try to throw it.
I get to still
and
try.
get it to land on the false paper.
Awesome. Here I go.
If it lands on the right paper, she gets 5 points. Go ahead and try. She
I
got
did
it. So her team gets 5 points.
Nice.
Well, so the next team can go. Now you're a little 1st grader, so you can come closer.
Okay.
People who write with both their hands are called ambidextrous. True, false, or not in the story?
It's not in the story.
It's not in the story. So you get 5 points for getting it right, and then you'll get 5 more if you can get it to land on not in the story paper.
And boom!
Ta-da! 10 points for your team.
All right,
you
I
get
get
the
it.
idea.
I get it.
You can take some time, review the story, make sure they really understand the importance of forgiving. And our last activity.
We are going to take these Jenga blocks, and then they're going to write the memory verse words on masking tape, and then they're going to build the blocks with the memory verse, right?
Yeah.
And once they get, now you got to get really tall with this, and then let the kids just put them all in order, and then knock them down.
And knock them down.
The boys will have fun with that.
Yes. Help them memorize the Bible verse.
Awesome.
And that's it for today. Have a wonderful weekend, and thank you all for serving with us.
See you, Dream Team.